Hi, this video tutorial I will cover HTTP session activation listener. Here you can see the server 1 which has a Java virtual machine. In this server, one web application is deployed. In this web application, one session is created, and in that session, one user object is bound. Okay, and this user object implements HTTP session activation listener. Because this user object implements HTTP session activation listener, this user object will get notified whenever session is passivated or activated. Okay, so the next question is when session will be activated and session will be passivated, right? So whenever the HTTP session moved from one virtual machine to another virtual machine, or one server to another server, this session activation and passivation will happen. Okay, so when server moves from server 1 to server 2, that time session will passivate method will be called. Okay, and once the HTTP session is successfully moved to the server 2, that time session did activate method will be called. Okay, so whenever session activation and passivation happens, the servlet container will notify the user object. Okay, because user object is implemented HTTP session activation listener, and user object is bound to the session. Okay, now we'll see HTTP session activation listener interface. And suppose if objects want to get notified whenever session is activated or passivated, then the object should implement this HTTP session activation listener interface and provide implementation of these two methods. Okay, so when HTTP session is migrated from one server to another server, session passivation will happen. So that time session will passivate method will be called. Okay, and once HTTP session is successfully moved to the new server, that time session activation will be happen, and session did activate method will be called. Okay, and it will receive the HTTP session event. So from this event we can get the session object which has been changed. Okay, here we will see some of the important points related to HTTP session activation listener. I will read out. Since it is possible that an HTTP session can migrate from one virtual machine to another virtual machine, so the spec designers thought it would be nice if someone bothered to tell the attributes within the session that they too were about to move. That way, attributes can make sure they will survive the trip. Okay. If all of your attributes are straightforward serializable object, then this listener we no need to implement. Okay, suppose the attribute is not serializable, then we can implement this listener, and it will get notified whenever this session migration happens, and we can give attribute a chance to make their instance variable ready for serialization. Okay, so that that attribute can survive in the trip. Okay, and this listener is so that as an attribute I can find out when I am about to move to a new virtual machine as part of a session, and I can make sure my instance variable are ready to move. Okay, here you can see the sample implementation. The class myObject, which implements HTTP session activation listener, and this class provide implementation of session will passivate method and session did activate method. Okay, so when session is about to passivated, this session will passivate method will be called, and you can write cleanup code and store something into the persistent storage in the session will passivate method. Okay, and when session has just been activated, this session did activate method will be called, and you can initialize and retrieve something from the persistent storage. So that kind of code you can write it in the session did activate method. Okay, so this class we no need to configure in web.xml file or deployment descriptor file. Okay, that is what mentioned in the second point. Don't need to configure the classes that implements this interface in the deployment descriptor. just to make a class implementing the HTTP session activation listener interface. Okay, and this is about HTTP session activation listener, and thanks for watching. Bye.